Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus lnx. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 1, you got 0. First derivative of lnx, we have dx over x. This one we change by u. dx over x we change by du. Next, we have the formula in here. Tan u we change by sin u over cosine u. So I will put this one gone here. About sin u to the power of 3, we can change into sin u and sin u square over cosine u to the power of 3. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have sin u squared. Now I will put this one go to the left. I'll go to the right, sorry. So I will change sin u squared into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to sin u, cosine u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin u du. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by t. Sin u du we change by negative dt. So the negative will change the sign of 1 minus t squared. So this one divide by this one, number 1 divide by this one. So we have 1 over t minus t to the power of negative number 3. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt. We have t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over t. We have ln of the absolute value of t. The next one, that is about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And I will put about c. This one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. Negative, negative, we simplify. About t, that is about cosine u. about u, that is about 1 plus lnx. So this one we can put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.